Quest, I look like Jimmy Durante.
That's all right.
This is not a toy.
There's a shadow.
That's all right. It'll probably be the best one. Each question, you get any closer, you're going to cut my hair. You'll be
Look
a barber.
up, Parrot, for me.
Huh?
Look up. It's too dark.
I can't help it.
Where can we go?
How's that?
Cool.
Huh?
Good. Let me get around.
I wonder if you're leveling with me, Ingrid.
Why is that?
You need a quest for an essay in the classroom.
Don't curse, Parrot. What year were you born in, Parrot?
1914.
1914?
Yep. The start of the Second World War.
And what else? What month and date?
Oh, July.
When
The latter part of July. The same day of Jackie Onassis. The girl I just buried.
What, I like that profile, Parrot. What, when did you come here?
What's that?
When did you start Chambersburg?
You mean the Little League?
Yeah.
1951.
Jeez. Was that the first year they started?
Yeah.
One more side and I'm done. You love it, Parrot. Who are you kidding? Right?
I'm having a ball.
You're what?
I'm having a ball. This is my lucky day.
All right, Parrot. I'll
That's the
leave you
ball
alone.
game.
Go ahead,
That's the ball
Parrot.
game.
Go ahead. Say goodbye to the camera for me. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you. Come and get the equipment. I'm tired.
What are you all dressed up for? Somebody must be taking your picture today, huh?
She took my picture and that other guy that just works for the newspaper.
Yeah, he's doing an article how tan you are already. They want to know where you went, what island you went.
Where's he from? Orlando, Florida? Or
Acapulco, near there.
Acapulco, Mexico?
Yeah.
I've been
He
there.
does the cliff diving, the championships.
Yeah.
I won? Yeah, I don't have my phone on.